Welcome back to B.Ednation. In today's video, I am going to walk you through one of the most important chapters in your class 10 science syllabus, life processes. Now, just to be clear, this video is strictly for class 10 students. We are covering the basic and exact concept which you need to understand and score well in your board exams. Every living organism performs certain basic function to sustain life, like respiration, digestion, circulation, excretion, growth. Today we are going to talk about nutrition. Whenever we come to this topic, nutrition, we are mostly concerned with food we eat, the diet chart, the supplement, etc. etc. To carry out all these functions, we need energy, right? From where does this energy come? This energy comes from food, and that is the nutrition. Nutrition is a process by which the organism obtain its food and utilize it for various biological purposes like growth, like digestion. Without nutrition, the cell will not get any energy. Okay, the cell will not get any energy. Body won't grow or repair, so there will be no repair. Also, every life process will stop, means no life process. So the importance of nutrition is it is required for growth, for repair and maintenance. As we know, the plants are vastly different from animals. So the nutrition in plants will also be different than from the nutrition in animals. Okay. Plants are autotrophs. What is the meaning of this fancy term, autotrophs? This fancy term means they can make their own food. How do plants make their own food? Plants carry a special organelle, chloroplast. In that chloroplast, there are small coin-like structures. Now, in this chloroplast, the small coins are known as thylakoids. In this thylakoid membrane, a special green pigment known as chlorophyll is present, known as chlorophyll is present. Now this chlorophyll not only imparts the green color, okay, not only imparts the green color to the leaves, but also helps the leaf perform a specific function, a specific process known as photosynthesis. Now, this is the process of photosynthesis in one line. Okay, what is it? It is the only thing, as I told before, which can trap solar energy. That is, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. They take in water from the roots. Then, during the presence of sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves, they make this magic substance which is glucose. Okay, and while making this magic potion which is the glucose, they also make this magic gas which is known as oxygen, which is required for all the living organisms on this world, almost all the living organisms on this world to survive. Someone asks you what is the product of photosynthesis, you will answer it is glucose. But if someone asks you what is the byproduct, you will not say glucose. Byproduct is oxygen. Byproduct means which they do not want to make, but they made it in the process. Okay, understood? So the product is glucose, byproduct is oxygen. Am I clear? Before moving on to the heterotrophic nutrition, I would like to draw your concentration to one of the most important topic in your plant nutrition, that is stomata. What are stomata? The plural form is stomata, the singular form is stoma. Okay, so the stoma are tiny pores or opening which are found on the underside of the leaves. What is the meaning of underside? This is a leaf, this is the top part, this is the bottom part. It is found in the bottom side of the leaf. Okay, now these are small chloroplast. Then, okay, let me draw the chloroplast over here before changing my pen. Then we have one big vacuole. Then we have the nucleus. Okay, now let us mark. Okay, let us mark. This is epidermal cell. These two are the guard cell. This is the nucleus. This is the chloroplast. This one is the vacuole. Right? So epidermal, guard cell, nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole. Now remember students, this is the guard cell in the morning. That is, this is open stomata. During the morning, we see the open stomata. When do we see the open stomata? During the presence, let's say during the presence of sunlight. During the absence of sunlight, we see the closed stomata. But there is one exception. There are some plants which open their stomata in the absence of sunlight and closes the stomata in the presence of sunlight. They are found mostly in areas where the water is scarce and they are trying to protect themselves from too much loss of water. That's all for today, students. What we have studied up till now is nutrition, the importance of nutrition, one of the mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic, and we have also studied in autotrophic about the photosynthesis, the chemical equation of photosynthesis, and about the stomata. So we are not moving forward with heterotrophic nutrition in this video, but we will come back to it in the next video. Like, subscribe and share this content. If you want this note, I will give the link of this in the description box. Thank you and have a nice day.